Life is a beautiful journey filled with different phases, each teaching us valuable lessons. Just like in life, real estate market goes through various phases that offer unique opportunities at every stage. As our needs change, so do the market changes. And understanding these phases help us make informed decisions. Have you ever wondered how the rich build wealth through real estate? Yes, it is a popular way for wealthy people to build and grow their wealth. So let's dive into the 5 phases that play a significant role in real estate business cycle and how you can use them to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. The first phase is the recovery phase, where the market stops falling and starts to grow a little. The second phase is the expansion phase, where the market grows quickly and there are many opportunities. And the third phase is early downturn phase, where the market begins to drop after reaching its highest point. And fourth phase is full downturn phase, where the market falls a lot. Finally, the fifth phase is the bottom phase, where the market reaches its lowest point and starts to recover. The bottom phase is the best time to enter the real estate market, while the early downturn phase is the right time to exit for big profits.